The Reports menu of the dashboard features a variety of order and subscription reports, most of which can be exported to CSV format if desired. In addition to these reports, the Data Export utility lets you export additional predefined reporting data and even create custom data exports. Another great way to export data from your FastSpring store is to use the FastSpring API, but for this video we'll focus on export options in the dashboard. First, let's look at how to export data from one of the reports on the Orders tab or the Subscriptions tab of the Reports menu. While viewing a report with the desired criteria, you can click the Download button in the top right-hand corner to download the main report data in a CSV file. Or if you use the Breakdown section at the bottom of the page, you can click the Download button there to export the grouped report data. Depending on your web browser's configuration, when you click either button, the file download will begin automatically and the file will be saved to your browser's download location. Now let's take a look at the Data Export utility. While viewing any tab of the Reports menu, click the question mark icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the page. In some stores, you will see an orange and white help icon, and in others, you will see it in gray and black. These illustrations show how to access data exports for each scenario. To get started, click Create Data Export. Enter a name for the export you are creating, and then select the desired date range for transactions to be included in the export. Next, click the drop-down under Report Type and choose what type of export you want to create. Advanced users can also choose New CSV Template or New Text Template. If you need help creating a custom template, please contact support@fastspring.com. Once you have chosen your export type, simply click Create. You will be returned to the previous page where you'll be able to see your export processing. The page will automatically refresh every 20 seconds, and when your export is ready, you'll be able to preview it on the screen, download the export file, or delete it when you're done.